Confronted with a myriad of new technologies, companies can struggle to take advantage of the opportunity they bring. Developing sophisticated, scalable, and agile digital capabilities requires partners. Future innovations also arise from strategic alliances that share resources, ideas, and funding. However, it can be difficult to identify when to insource software and new technologies and when to outsource resource gaps. Understanding the role partners can play and finding the best tactical, cultural, and strategic fit is vital. Even with the best efforts and planning, though, these relationships can be met with complications and friction. So how do companies develop strategic partnerships for the digital age?
Our first focus is looking at our customers and what they're looking for. A lot of the trends that we see actually come up from the end consumers and people, wanting small deliveries every day, and I want to be able to just order milk now and get it this afternoon at 6 p.m. So it's coming from that end that then flows back to how we're going to help our customers get their products to their customers. Generally, a lot of the operational applications that we use in logistics are quite maths intensive, and also warehouse management systems are quite complex. It's not often that we will build something ourselves in-house. There's usually a company that's already doing it and doing it better than we could be doing it at a much faster pace. We will work with our operations teams internally and look at what they actually need for the businesses that they're running, and then we will go out to market with a quite detailed scope document explaining exactly what we're looking for. It's really important that our partners do know our industry and that they understand supply chain and logistics. We'll go out to probably like 12 to 15 vendors around the world, and then we'll go back and have a full evaluation process, and we'll have them do demonstrations, and then we make a selection based on price, speed of implementation, and the quality of the solution. Treat your partners like partners, don't treat them like a commodity. We take our partners on the strategic journey from day one. So we bring them in as our partners and we work together with them, and we keep them up to date on what's happening with our customers and where we see their products going next. And that way it helps them to be able to plan their resources and their solutions, and that means that they can give us better service and that they can be ready as soon as the next project comes in. They're there and ready to go along with us. We have very close connections between our vendors and our teams on the ground. So when we're going in and implementing a system at a particular operation, we will have our operations teams involved, we'll have super users, we'll have guys from my team, and then we'll have the vendors team as well, and they all work together as one team. Having a cultural fit with your vendors really can make a big difference in the way that you work together and the success of the project. As much as possible, I think, as the relationship with your vendor grows, then they get to start seeing the things that might become a problem or could be a potential issue or risk. You need to build your strategies together. You need to treat them as part of your own team and work closely and have honest, open conversations when things are going well and things aren't going well. And that's really important at all levels.